So I'm gonna do a useless, pointless kind of video. Well, anyways, it's just basically my shits and giggles over when I had my phone on vibrate. It made a funny sound next to my guitar. It made kind of like a foghorn sound. And so I'm going to just recreate that right now. So my guitar and my phone. Let's see if I can do this properly. Oh, did you hear it? Get it on the right angle. You hear that? Oh, my download had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. But yeah, that's my pointless, useless video of how I got like a cheap thrill of when I heard that from my phone and my guitar. Yeah, thank you.